2019 Lincoln MKC. Lincoln is transplanting the face of its biggest SUV, the Navigator, onto its smallest crossover, the MKC. To go along with its new schnoz, the refreshed 2019 Lincoln MKC also gains an enhanced active safety tech offering. But much remains the same underneath, with a choice of two turbocharged four-cylinder engines and either front or all-wheel drive. With its new squared-off, single-piece front grille, the MKC now matches the rest of the freshened lineup, including the Continental, the MKZ, and the Navigator. The change brings Lincoln one step further in its quest to eradicate the old two-piece waterfall grille from its vehicles. Only the MKX and MKT crossovers will still wear that dated design. Reshaped LED headlights flank the new grille, and Lincoln said the MKC's rear end is different, too, although we're hard-pressed to see much change there. On the inside, the only notable amendment is the addition of a new Rialto green color option, available on the MKC's reserve trim level. The MKC's optional suite of active safety technologies gains pedestrian detection for its forward collision warning system. We presume that this feature will continue to be offered in an option bundle together with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and park assist. They're currently part of the $2,295 technology package that is available on 2018 Reserve and Black Label trims. There aren't any mechanical changes to the MKC, which uses a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder with 245 horsepower as its base engine and a 285 horsepower turbo 2.3-liter 4 as an upgrade. Both pair with a 6-speed automatic transmission and either front or all-wheel drive. Given the minimal changes, it's unlikely the 2019 MKC's prices will budge much from the current model's $34,280 entry point when it goes on sale next summer.